Hello. Coming on here a little bit later than I normally do. My sister came over earlier and she brought her son, and the cousins got to have Dexter. Not on my pillow. Like, literally not on my pillow, please. The cousins got to see each other and they got to play, and it was literally the cutest thing. I just finished resetting Kennedy's area for tomorrow. I see you finally settled down over there. My treat now. We're gonna make some cookies. I actually want to show you guys my hospital bag and what I have in it, because I think that y'all are gonna be like super surprised when you see what little I am packing, but I digress. For now, I'm gonna get some cookies in the oven. So the ones that I was having last week were Pillsbury, and they were like normal size. These ones, my grocery store only had mini this week, and it's a different brand. It's Nestle brand, so I don't know how long, but if you have Pillsbury ones, the perfect cookie is you bake it at 350 for 11 minutes, take it out at 11 minutes, and you're gonna wanna like go like this with your cookie sheet, and then let them sit on the cookie sheet and finish like, you know, like till they cool for like, I don't know, like 10 minutes, and they're perfect. Now, because of these, I don't know, oh wow, there's a lot here, okay. I don't know what the perfect time is to cook the mini ones, you know what I mean? That's the only thing here. I mean, I know that these are gonna be good, but one of my childhood memories actually involves these. So my dad had gone on a trip with my sisters and like my cousins and stuff like that, and I stayed back, I forget why, with my mom. And so like the whole weekend it was just me and my mom, and I remember like we got McDonald's for dinner because that's what I wanted. We went to Claire's and did like some shopping. And then we got these because I picked these out at the grocery store because to me, you know, a 9-year-old, the mini ones, I thought I was getting more cookies, but it's literally the same amount of cookies that you get. They're just in smaller pieces, but I digress. So whenever I see the mini Toll House ones, I always think of that for some reason. I don't know. Just a fun little memory with my mom. All right, those are in the oven. I put them in for like 7 minutes. We'll see how long they take. Okay, literally, this is my hospital bag. This is it. This is all I'm taking. I know, like, I'm not really taking much at all. But the last time, I took like 2 Vera Bradley duffel bags, and I didn't use anything that I brought. Anyways, the last thing that I need to do, actually the last couple things that I need to pack is some pacifiers, which I don't have cleaned yet, so I'm not going to pack those right now, and some PJs. These are all his size newborn. I would love to bring one of these little sleepies, but little sleepies runs big, so I feel like these wouldn't fit him. These are adorable. I think I'm going to take these and one other pair. I'm also going to take this little gown from Caden Lane. So my sister got me this when I had Kennedy, and Kennedy wore this in the hospital. So I think that'll be cute if I bring this too, and then get pictures of him with this. Maybe one more pair of PJs, just for good measure. Okay, so 3 pairs of pajamas for him. I gotta pack the pacifiers, but obviously I want to clean them first, so I'll do that when I do that. And yeah, last time my hospital had a lot of stuff. And again, so I didn't even need to use anything that I brought. Like, they had absolutely everything that I needed there. So that's why I'm not overpacking this time. But I know y'all are shocked because I know you're like, Carissa, this isn't my snack bag though, guys. This is just my bag. There will be a second bag for my snacks. I should make a whole video about that. All right, my cookies, it's been like 9 minutes and I just went and took them out. So I'm gonna let those cool, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.